Alright, students, some little bit of special instructions for this one. This is the January 11th Teenbiz. Our last Teenbiz was right before the break, and it was that level set, the mid-year level set assessment. Most of you were able to complete it without a problem, but some of you had some issues, and I set that due date for that level set to today, January 11th. So, for those of you that did the level set already, you could pretty much ignore this video from here on out. Go do your Teenbiz. For those of you that were not able to do it, one of two things is going to happen. You're going to try to do this article and it will prompt you to do the level set. If it prompts you to do the level set and then you're able to do the level set, great. Just post in the submission box below, I did the level set today, and that's good. I will basically, if you post that in there, I'll just exclude you from this article. So if you have to do the level set today, I'll exclude you from this article. Remember to go back into the old assignment for the level set test and click the box, the little question that says, I did the level set. So you get those points. You don't miss those points. But if you have to do the level set today, I'll exclude you from this article. You just have to let me know. If for some reason you go to do this article and it says you have to take the level set, but it still won't let you do the level set, then you need to let me know too, and I'll have to figure out why it's not working. So basically, if you do the level set, if you have to do the level set today, I'll exclude you from this article. And if you have technical problems, just let me know. That's it. If you have any confusion, please let me know. Otherwise, you should just be able to do the article as normal, and we'll continue on with the year. All right. Have a wonderful day.